All right, here is part of what's for dinner tonight. Look at those lobster tails. There's my hand. Look at how huge they are. So Mike's gonna go throw those on the grill. And literally, he's gonna literally, just like Rachel Ray says, everything is literally. And this is my job. I'm doing the asparagus and butter and garlic. And he's gonna get the lobster tails going. And then, you like my little stirring utensil, and then the steaks will go on in about 15 minutes. So, oh, there's my knife for my protein pancakes. So, all right, see you later. It's Saturday night. Don't be jealous. Bye. I forgot to show you, I'm cutting up my celery and asparagus from Sam's, and I got that to put into my pancakes and shakes. So I have these two to chop up. So we're doing good. Bye. I'll show you this today, but this is my Dawn Professional Dish Detergent. I really like this. It's a gallon, and it comes in the pump dispenser type of thing. And when we went to Sam's a couple weeks ago, the last time we went, they didn't have this, so I just bought a bottle of Dawn and filled it back up. So I really like it. It's real easy, just handy. You can just, that's usually what I shouldn't do that, my celery down here. But that's usually what I use to wash my hands with. And working on the celery. So here is the asparagus, partially grilled, partially sauteed. And Mike's, we call them pork thingies. Oh, that's a trash compactor. They're like the country style pork ribs. He loves those. And we have that. And we're waiting for the lobster and the steaks. And it wouldn't be a nice fancy meal without a nice little glass of red wine. This is the Prisoner. Ooh. It sounds so... It just says Napa Valley red wine. It's actually pretty good. So, yeah. Poor Bruno. He always wants to be in the kitchen when we're cooking, but, and there's Emmy. Hi, Em. Are you guys behind bars? Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. That looks really good.
It's not quite ready to give you the bigger steak.
Oh. Mine's not quite ready.
Bigger lobster too. Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. So I should pour some more wine. But that's what we're eating tonight, folks. Don't be all jealous. Yeah.
That's what you were trying to tell me you had to poo, huh, bud?
Yeah.
That's why you were biting me and trying to get me?
Yep. Did he ignore you?
Yeah, I guess I did now, in retrospect. First interception in the last 99 postseasons.
But you've got to be able to use the receiver size. Take Jordy Nelson and use his body, but when you start throwing balls down the field and allow him to make a play one-on-one, typically he's better than the receiver at playing the ball.
Oh.
All right. Woohoo!
Wow. That was crazy.
Tramon Williams is the first guy who got his hands on it in front of
deflection.
Jermaine Kearse, and it's
Bruno, what's the matter? Huh? What's the matter, boo? Huh?
Go get a toy.
What did you get? You're supposed to go get your toy.
Get a toy. Go get a toy. Go get Chicky.
Hi, Emmy. Hi.
He just wants to come up and sit on the couch now.
Hi, Brew. Am I in your spot? Huh? Are you going to sit on the chair behind Mike? Where's your toy? Go get a toy. Here comes Juno. Hi, Juno. Hi, sweetie pie.
You're the only one who can save us.
Huh? Bruno, go get a toy. Mike just put all your toys back in the toy box. Go get one. No? Yeah.
Boy, that's just, they gotta be stunned, huh? That's their bread and butter right there, the post pattern.
Let's get a toy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, let's go get a toy. Get a toy. Yeah. Get a toy. Get one. Get a toy. Pick one out. Get one. Pick one out. Get a toy. Which one do you want? Huh? Well, get... Brew. Brew. Hey, leave her alone. Come here, Brew. Get a toy. Pick one out. Come here. Come here. Pick one out. Get one. Get one. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on. Brew. Emmy, come on. Let's go. Bring it. Come on. Come on. Let's go out. Yeah. Come on, Em. Hi, Juno. You need some water? Okay. There's your water. Come on, get it. Get your toy. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. What'd you get?
Did you get it or did he?
He did. Wow, we're watching the Packer-Seattle game, and Packers are playing really well and are really lucky. It's almost halftime, and Packers just got another interception on there for them. So I'm going to try the Starbucks Cinnamon Dolce. We'll see. See how it is. Rich and sweet. So I hope this doesn't have sugar in it. I was looking for nutritional information. Whoop.
Come here, bud. What toy did you get?
You got the orange stick. And we'll put this in it. And I have my Packer sweatshirt on and no makeup because I took a shower right before the game started. So there we go. Shake up my shake. It's almost halftime, Brew. That smells really good. So, we'll give it a whirl here. Oh, it smells really good. Winner, winner. What, Brew? Are you going outside? Mike has a cigar. Lay down. Ah!
Drop. Okay. Good job.
Yeah, it's halftime. Packers are winning 16-0. Woohoo! I hope they can keep it up.
Leave her.
He has just been crazy. Now he's gonna pee. He's peeing Packer gold.
Yeah.
All right, Brew. Way to pee Packer gold. Oh, he has Chicky. Okay, I'm going inside. It's cold. So apparently I'm really bad at getting shots of my clothes because you couldn't even see my sweatshirt. But I got this off of Walmart.com, and when I got it, I didn't realize how foily it is. But that's my Aaron Rodgers right there. So yeah, I hope hope you guys are having a great Sunday. We're enjoying it so far. And I'll just talk to you guys later. Bye.
She's telling everybody to relax.
Bruno's in his favorite position to watch the game. Aren't you, Boo? Aww. Do you have your paw on Mike's shoulder?
Two of those interceptions were tipped ball the receiver should have caught. And they just happened,
Oh.
the Packers were in it.
Are you giving him kisses? And I have Miss Emmy next to me. You really can't see her. Where are you, Em? I don't know where Juno is.
I don't know. Juno's struggling.
Oh well, Packers, you fought a good fight, and I'm disappointed, but at least we lost to the Seahawks, so I'm not mad about that. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye.